What if you arrived at work tomorrow, and discovered your job no longer needed you? It sounds impossible, but around the world, this transformation has already begun. By 2026, millions of workers may face the biggest career shift in modern history. Welcome to AI Toolverse, where we explore the future of artificial intelligence and the technology shaping tomorrow. So, will artificial intelligence replace your job, or help you build an even better career? The answer depends on one critical factor that most people completely overlook. In this video, you'll discover which jobs are disappearing, which careers are thriving, and how you can stay ahead before it's too late. But before you panic, you need to understand why AI is spreading so quickly across the world. The answer is simple. AI helps companies finish hours of work in just a fraction of the time. It boosts productivity, reduces costs, and allows businesses to scale faster than ever before. For many companies, that's a competitive advantage that's simply too valuable to ignore. Today's AI can write reports, analyze data, answer emails, and even create professional presentations. Tasks that once took hours can now be completed in just a few minutes. That doesn't always mean people lose their jobs. Sometimes it means their jobs begin to change. And that's where the biggest misunderstanding begins. Many people believe AI will replace every worker. But the reality is far more complex. Some jobs face a much higher risk than others, while many careers are becoming even more valuable. So which jobs are most likely to disappear first, and which ones are built to survive? To answer that question, we first need to understand what AI does best. AI excels at repetitive, predictable, and data-driven tasks that follow clear patterns. That's why data entry became one of the first jobs transformed by artificial intelligence. What once required hours of manual work can now be completed in just moments. Customer support is changing too, as AI now handles millions of questions every day. Simple requests are automated, while humans focus on complex conversations. Content creation has changed as well, with AI producing text in just seconds. But speed alone isn't enough. Human creativity and judgment still make the biggest difference. The same pattern appears in design. AI creates ideas, while people shape them into something meaningful. Even software developers now work alongside AI instead of competing against it. AI can generate code quickly, but humans are still needed to solve complex problems and make critical decisions. So the real question isn't whether AI can do your job, it's whether your job depends only on repetitive tasks. Take accounting, for example. AI can process numbers in seconds, but financial decisions still need human expertise. Translation has also evolved, with AI breaking language barriers faster than ever before. But understanding culture, emotion, and context is something AI still struggles to master. Video editing is changing too, as AI speeds up the process without replacing creative vision. Across every industry, the pattern is becoming clear. AI handles the routine, while humans drive strategy. That's why the biggest risk isn't AI itself. It's refusing to learn how to work with it. And every year, AI is becoming faster, smarter, and more capable than the year before. That's why millions of professionals are learning AI skills before they're forced to. Because the future won't belong to those who compete against AI, but to those who know how to use it. But there's one important question we still haven't answered. Which jobs can AI not replace? The answer begins with one simple truth. AI can analyze information, but it can't truly understand people. A doctor doesn't just diagnose an illness. They build trust, offer reassurance, and make life-changing decisions. The same is true for nurses, where compassion is just as important as medical knowledge. Teaching is another profession built on motivation, communication, and human connection. AI can answer questions, but inspiring curiosity is something only great teachers can truly do. Skilled trades also remain difficult to automate because every situation is different. Real-world problems often demand experience, flexibility, and quick decision-making. Even with advanced AI tools, critical decisions still depend on trained professionals. Leadership is another skill AI can't fully replace because people choose to follow people. AI can offer suggestions, but vision, judgment, and responsibility still belong to humans. And that's exactly where the future begins, not by competing with AI, but by learning how to work with it. Across every industry, professionals are discovering that AI works best as a powerful assistant. AI can generate hundreds of ideas, but choosing the right one still requires human judgment. The same is happening in software development, where AI accelerates work instead of replacing skilled engineers. Creative professionals are also proving that great ideas become exceptional through human imagination. In fact, while some jobs are changing, entirely new careers are emerging because of AI. Millions of people are already learning these skills to stay competitive in the years ahead. The difference isn't talent. It's the willingness to adapt before everyone else does. Every new technology rewards those who learn it early, and AI is no exception. So if learning AI is the key, which skills will matter most in the next few years? The future won't belong to those who avoid AI, but to those who learn how to use it effectively. One of the most valuable skills is knowing how to communicate clearly with AI systems. Because AI can generate answers, but humans must decide which answers are correct. Creativity is another skill that remains difficult to automate. Leadership, communication, and teamwork will become even more valuable in the AI era. And perhaps the most important skill of all is the ability to keep learning. Because the jobs of 2030 may look very different from the jobs we know today. Those who adapt early won't just survive this change, they'll benefit from it. History shows that every major technology creates both challenges and opportunities. And this brings us to the biggest question of all: what will the world look like in the next decade? The future of work won't be built by humans alone. It will be shaped by humans and AI working together. AI will increasingly handle routine work, giving people more time to solve problems and create new ideas. In almost every profession, success will come from combining human expertise with intelligent technology. That's why the people preparing today will have the strongest opportunities tomorrow. Meanwhile, those who ignore these changes may find it harder to stay competitive. The good news is that it's never too late to start learning. Whether you're a student, a freelancer, or an experienced professional, AI can become your greatest advantage. The biggest opportunity isn't replacing humans, it's helping humans achieve more than ever before. So, after everything we've explored, what's the real truth about AI replacing jobs? AI won't replace everyone, but people who learn to work with AI are far more likely to thrive in the years ahead. Throughout history, every technological revolution has changed the way people work. From machines to computers and the internet, those who adapted created new opportunities. Artificial intelligence is simply the next chapter in that ongoing story. The people who embrace AI today are building the careers of tomorrow. No matter your profession, learning AI is becoming one of the smartest investments you can make. Your future won't be defined by artificial intelligence. It will be defined by how you choose to use it. So don't fear the future. Prepare for it. Because the future won't belong to the strongest or the fastest, it will belong to those who keep learning. If you enjoyed this journey into the future of AI, there's much more waiting for you. This is only the beginning of the AI revolution. At AI Toolverse, we explore the latest AI tools, breakthrough technologies, and the innovations shaping our future. Subscribe now, and join us as we discover what's coming next.